DJB here once again. Just picked up this 1000 SRT that had a liquid spill. As you can see, I mean, this area is still all wet. So we're going to turn it on just to see exactly what's going on. But I was told a lot of things were not working. So starting with the beat effects. So we're going to make a list right here. Beat effects. I would just say screen or display. That's one of them. Let's see. Let's load up a song. Okay, that's working. Let's check all of these pads. All these pads are good. Roll, slicer, sampler, all of that is good. Up and down is working. Okay. All right, let's see. Is this moving? This is working. This is working. Okay. This might be normal. Sometimes they do act up. But let's see, this is working. That is working as well. And okay, so far a lot of stuff is working. All of these are working. So, yep, Q1, replace. Definitely need to replace that. Working good. We got sound. That is all working. Key. Yep, those are all great. Play. Q. Play. Q. Okay. Shift is working. Shift. Let's see, sync. Yep. Guys, I think our issue is minor. It's gonna be this area, and God knows what's going on. Ooh, this is, yeah. So let's see, left side, jog, adjust. The right side is fine. So yeah, liquid definitely spilled all around this area. Let's see, sensor is working. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take it apart and try our troubleshooting. Ta-da! Okay, now we ready to pull the cover. First thing, ooh, I do see, can't tell if liquor ran down here, but okay. That's not a bad sign. Okay, so let's see, has this unit been worked on? Can't really tell. Anyway, let's do our little marks. I like to mark all the black screws. Black. B. Let's check out these sound cards. Ooh, sound card is bad. Look at these capacitors, all swolled up. So that means we're going to be replacing all this. This controlled XLR, which means the XLR on this probably sounds like crap. So we'll be fixing that. Aside from that, this board, oh my God, look at the damage there. See that? All liquid. Oh my God, yep. Shoot. I hope this is not so bad, but I'm gonna have to get under the microscopes to fix this. That's where our issue is. We're gonna put it to the side for now, but we also believe the liquid that came in on that board probably damaged this area too. So we're gonna take everything out. Yeah, everything's gonna come out. Okay, so we need to clean this up. We got a lot of spills everywhere. But as we know, the only button that's really not working is Q1. So we're gonna have that replaced and then clean the crap out of this. And now we're looking at this. Whew, look at that. Looks pretty bad. So we're gonna do our best to clean it up. So I did a little soldering job. Had to put a little wire right there to connect that piece that was totally destroyed. So hopefully this works. Okay, now we're gonna work on the sound card. We're gonna remove these 4 bad capacitors. So I saved the worst for last. Look how bad that is. Oh my God. Look at that mess. And it's everywhere. I mean, even down there. Look at that area. Whew. Disgusting. So we're going to begin cleaning this. Wish me luck. Okay, I completed the cleaning. Looks good. I replaced some of the components that were bad in this area. So the whole thing is nice and clean, man. But man, look what time it is. Almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And I just got done with this. We're going to put it back and test, and then I'm going to sleep. Okay, so we got everything back together. I put the bottom parts all back together as well. So now we're just ready for testing. Sound card looks good. Let's go. Let's pray first. Okay, here we go. BFX is working. That was totally dead before. All the lights are on. Q1 was fixed. Look how nice that is. Yeah, beautiful. And now we can test it. A, B, mic, it's good. A and B, switch. B. Guys, we're looking good. Okay, so we're gonna turn this up here. Put it right in the middle. Right in the middle. Same here, and right in the middle. Wow, let's play something. You hear that? That is beautiful. Now we're gonna try this side. I mean, looking at our list, I think we addressed all the issues. I'm gonna try the beat, 4 beat. Let's see. Up. That is working. We're gonna try the other side. That is working too. So everything's working. I really don't have nothing else on this list that needs to be fixed. This controller is 100% fixed. Last remaining thing to do is the XLRs. I'm gonna test them right now. Okay, power this thing on. Guys, I am so freaking happy. I purchased this unit very, very cheap. But, you know, I had to put some labor into it. Okay, here we go. Ready? Alright, we're gonna put the volume up, master up. Ooh, that was nice. Okay, let's try the other one. Anyway, here we go. Oh my God, guys. We are all set, 100% fixed. Sound card sounds clean, beautiful. Tomorrow during the day, I'm gonna blast the crap out of it, but this unit is 100% fixed, ready to be sold. I don't want to keep it. Also, I just cleaned this entire unit. Look how brand new it looks. Nice and clean.